What's up, guys? Back with another PNZ Gaming more video and PNZ Gaming 2 video. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to solve the Rubik's Cube. I'm going to solve it. This is a video about me solving it, and I'm going to teach you on my PNZ Gaming 2 channel. So I'm going to show you guys that I could solve it. So there we go. Go. See, guys? I'm telling you, I'm a master at this. I'm really good. Literally everybody at school literally says they can't solve it. Come to my birthday party next time, and I'll show you some proof that I'm good at it. So don't be doubting me. Don't be doubting me, guys. Like, why would people be doubting me if I can? If I'm really even gonna post it on social media about me literally solving the cube. So it's really easy, really fun. So, and to me it makes more common sense. I don't know why, but it just does. So this. No. I'm bad at beatboxing, by the way. So please don't make fun of me. Please, no, I don't want you to fun of me. Alright, that's weird, but I'm saying. Alright. Boom. I solved it in 2 minutes. Wow. So now I'm going to do something a bit more challenging. So this is actually going to take off some camera film. So let me take off the camera. I have to do Speed Cube plus the original Rubik's branded cube. So let me scan up the original. Oh my god, this feels so bad. You can't even corner cut. It doesn't even corner cut, look. Badly corner cuts. Look at how I gotta scramble this thing, bro. It's so bad. Okay, so now that's scrambled. Let's scramble my Speed Cube. The first one I'm going to solve is this one, then this one. So I actually think this one's going to be easier because it's a Speed Cube, of course. I'm really good at the Speed Cube. So which one is ripped off? Okay. Huh? Why is it not solved? Oh, I didn't. Dude, I didn't turn it. So this. This. Huh? Oh yeah, so I am. It's green. My brain go Cuckoo. Well, I did keep my eye on that one, so then let's let me feel do 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 do. So I could beatbox. Hold up. I'm trying to make a firework noise. There we go. Took me 3 hours to do that. To practice that. These YouTubers, like beatboxing, Mighty. Shout out to him. He's a good beatboxer, better than me actually. So shout out to him. I hope he sees this channel, subscribes to me, and so does beatboxing JCPE, I think. No, it's not PE. PD. Alright, let's do this. Dang, it's taking me so long to solve this. It's because I'm talking a lot. I'm a yapper, guys. Did you guys know that? I'm a yapper. I'm not a rapper, I'm a yapper. So let's go here. I didn't finish it, so that's what is going. Oh my god. Why does this happenings? Gosh. Took like 30 years. Not even 1 billion. Solve it. Almost solved actually, guys. I am just nervous for this one because this one is a lot slower. I don't want to keep yapping though because I want to solve these. So I am going to solve them. Oh wait, I don't have a timer, so it's not a 2-second timer off. Plus, I'm not even in a competition, so. Still really good at it. Doesn't matter where I am and what I'm doing. Still gonna solve it. This person at school actually brought a cube to school. Well, I wanted to try, and it kind of worked out. And it was fun. And I solved it for her, and she said, "You are really smart." I'm like, "Yeah, I know. I've been doing this for 2 weeks. 2 weeks, and I learned how to cube this fast. I'm actually really fast. So go to my other channel, PNZ Gaming 2. Subscribe to that one, and you'll get more content there. And figure out more about my gaming experience on there too. But all my gaming things is on this channel right now. So on my other channel, PNZ Gaming 2, I'm going to film a video on how to solve the Rubik's Cube. So I'm not going to use this cube. I'm going to use this cube for that video. So I'll meet you guys there on that channel. Well, it's not really connected to this channel. Like, wait, why did I do that? I did the ooh hand move. Alright, I'm weird. It's so weird. Okay, this feels so bad, guys. It's so hard to do it because I have my dog here. Wait a minute, am I stupid? I just done that damn. My brain is so. gosh. So now that we got that, now I could do this. Voila! Hing ching huang hing ha. Huang mi xing mi chang. Alright, let's do this thing, money. And yes, I can do a corner twist on this cube if you're asking. Well, I don't want to do it right now because it hurts your fingers. Alright, and I'm gonna do it. There, I did it. But do not do it to the original cube. Because then I can mess up your whole career on the original Rubik's Cube, but at least I'm strong enough to corner twist on the original Rubik's Cube brand. Okay, so I'm gonna teach you all the moves I'm doing on my other channel, PNZ Gaming 2. I keep saying it. Just comment down below how many times I'm saying my PNZ Gaming channel 2, even that time I said it. Oh my gosh. Sorry, Jesus. I'll never say that again. Maybe a couple of times. Because I really can't control it either. Everybody's saying it and I can't get it out of my head. I'm so sorry. And boom. My fingers having to do this cube hurts so bad. At least it's solved. Wait a minute, guys. I caught something off guard, bro. This caught me so off guard. Oh no. Well, at least I could just do this. Alright, I solved the Rubik's. It doesn't work. That algorithm doesn't work on it. I thought it would though. That'd be cool if it did. So now both cubes are solved. Now I'm gonna do the exact same thing, but opposite. I'm just kidding. I'm gonna play Pac-Man. So now the rest of this video is Pac-Man. Maybe I'll pick up my cube again and solve it again in front of this camera. Buy a water bottle. I'm not. Actually, I am gonna drink this water bottle right now. Actually, exercise at home. Actually thing, bro. It's kind of annoying. Cause like when like a class teacher pets just go, actually, that is 37. Teacher, this person needs to be punished. They got the answer wrong. That should be illegal. Okay, you guys can barely even see it, so I'm gonna play it sideways. Can I even do it sideways? I don't even think I could do it sideways. Yeah, I can barely. No, I can't even. I can't even do it sideways. The machine is so good. You can't even see it. Like, even if I put it all the way back on my TV, it'll just make my stuff fall. If my camera film is, am I stupid? could I have just done this the entire time? Guys, my brain. So now let's play Pac-Man. Why won't it stand up? Probably because this cord is in the way. Come on, guys. 30 and 30 later. Actually, alright, I need to stop with that. I'm gonna slide it in. I'm gonna slide it in my dock. It's gonna be so funny. Not funny. Oh my gosh. I just made it a little stand. That's so cool. I almost said cute. Alright, I'm kind of weird. No, I am weird. I'm supposed to be weird. Okay, so now will it work? Okay, finally. Alright, let's go. But it could beat this game. Dang, bro, Pac-Man is such a big bat. How does he not really consume all the worlds? I got this from Walmart when I got my speed cube. The one I used for this video.
Come here. No.
Oh no, bro. No, stay back, stay back, stay back. Come on. Dude, run. Am I stupid? I am the stupid. So I could actually just wait here. Why is it so bright? Yo. No, I got cornered. Oh, come on. So that's gonna be the wrap up of today's video. See you guys next time with another video with me. Bye bye. Boop.